Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com and Santarelli Trading Exchange. I hope everyone is off to a really nice morning here. We got the futures up, huge here. And a lot of our trades that we made yesterday are going to be in the green. We're probably going to be locking in some profits here. We doubled the trade challenge account yesterday. We didn't go live on YouTube yesterday because we had a lot going on in the trade room. So we doubled our trade challenge account yesterday. We broke that 5,000. By the end of the day, we came slightly below 5,000, $4,985.53. That's what we're starting the day off with here. So let's take a look at what we did. So first off, I gave a trade idea yesterday on Walmart. One of our members, Skyjack, ended up getting into it. We did the 144, 145 out of the money vertical call spread there for 12 cents a contract. That 12 cents could be worth $1 if Walmart's above 145. Yesterday when we got into that trade, it was at 141. Walmart had a big breakout today. That trade's going to make over a 730% gain right now. So that's an incredible trade there. I'm sure Skyjack's going to be locking that in. That was a hell of a trade idea on Walmart there. That out-of-the-money vertical spread there, over 700% return on that trade there. Actually, here it was before the market opens here. I'll show you guys what it was going for. Here it is, Walmart WMT. Call spread, buy to open, sell to open here. Let's take a look quick. October 22nd. It was the 144, 145. That was going for 12 cents. Do you see that right there, guys? This is what I'm talking about. That was going for 12 cents. Watch what that's going to be on opening bell right here. Watch what that's going to be. I'm going to get some things ready to sell some of these other positions. We got a nice breakout there, but I want you guys to see. Notice that 144, 145 vertical spread on Walmart right here, okay? I want you guys to see what that's going to be worth. So Skyjack said he got 20 contracts. Those 20 contracts times 12 bucks, that equals a $240 trade. That $240 trade just turned into $2,000 for him. Great job on that, Skyjack. I'd be locking that in first thing in the morning. Awesome job there. All right, next thing, guys, let's take a look. Facebook, we got a Facebook trade. That's continuing to break out there. That's up over $5 right now. We're going to have some nice gains. That was a main trade challenge trade. Apple's getting a nice climb here, too. Pulled back a little bit from the highs this morning, but that's looking great. Nvidia, that's another one that's got a nice climb there. And then we got into a coin trade yesterday, and coin is breaking out nicely at $300 a share. That's looking pretty good. Probably going to be locking in some of those first thing in the morning here. Got about 3 minutes until opening bell.
Now at $2.90. That's Foxtrot Whiskey Bravo India.
So that is looking good.
TLSA, Tiziana Life Sciences.
Tesla, let's see. They're talking about Tesla there.
The scheme of arrangement and approves reduction of capital.
Tesla's still breaking out, too. A lot of the members ended up jumping into Tesla yesterday. That's looking pretty good. But, guys, look at the trade challenge account, 4,985. We doubled that. We started with 2,500, and it's continuing to run there. It's looking good.
That's Tango Lima Sandy Alpha, TLSA.
So probably going to lock in some, I don't know, Facebook is still running there. That's looking pretty good. I might hold on to that. I'll see here. We got about, another minute until opening bell. Things are looking good. We got big earnings after the bell today, guys. So we're probably going to stay on a little bit longer after the bell today to see what's going on. It's coming down to 9:29 now, so I'm going to get some things ready just in case I want to sell on open.
DSX, Diana Shipping, announcing filing of draft registration statement relating to proposed spinoff of 3 dry bulk vessels and declaration of cash dividend. That's Delta Sandy X-Ray. DSX. LUV, Southwest Air, CNBC reported Southwest dropped a plan to put unvaccinated staff on unpaid leave beginning in September.
Alrighty, guys, here we go.
Scrapped the
Couple
plan to put
seconds till opening
unvaccinated
bell.
workers with
15
pending
seconds.
exemptions on unpaid leave after the December 8th deadline. That's Lima Uniform Victor LUV.
All right, here we go.
AGS Gameplay Network enters into landmark
First
agreement.
thing I'm going to do
with
here
AGS
is I'm going
for a
to
new
lock
class
in
of
that Apple
casino-style
trade.
games. That's Alpha
Got a
Golf
50%
Sandy.
gain on that Apple trade there. That is looking good.
AGS.
All right, guys, I am out of Apple. P, we are out of Apple. Order status. We just closed our Apple trade in the trade challenge account for $1.66. Out of Apple, $1.66. There's number one right there. Number two, NVIDIA. I'm going to sell NVIDIA here. Sell to close that. All right, locked in profits on NVIDIA now. The trade challenge account's over 5,000. Now I'm going to go over to the main account here. I'm going to see what our
SEC Chair Gary Gensler tweeting he'll be on CNBC coming up in a few minutes.
I am out of coin at 940. Wanted to lock these trades in so we could look. Guys, our Facebook trade's up over 50% right now in the main account here.
Now
I'm going to sell that one.
Bravo November Tango
That one's got a nice climb there on Facebook. I'm going to close that out. We got over a 50% gain on that. 57% gain on Facebook. All right, guys, I am out of Facebook at 441.
Dow Jones Industrial Average up.
Here are the trades that we just closed out this morning.
S&P 500 up 0.3%. NASDAQ Composite up 0.3% after the open.
I'm going to send these to P.
BT, Bit Digital, November 12.5 call sweep. Bravo Tango, Bravo Tango.
All right, P, there are the trades. Let me post those in the trade room here. Look at those. Look at the trade room here. Look at what they're saying in the trade room. Nice job, guys. I love this. I love this. We are back. We are back. Sammy, Dave, over $700 locked in profits. Thank you. Jerry sold Facebook in 218 out at 440. Over a double. Nice job on that, Jerry. Nice job today, guys, already. The main account locked in some really nice gains. I mean, look at the, wow, Caterpillar's taking off, guys. Our Caterpillar trade's almost green. Holy smokes. Stephen Powers just grew his small $1,900 account by $200 today. Good job, Stephen. Nice one. Caterpillar is on the climb. Let's see what Cat's doing. Trade challenge account's at $5,231. What did I tell you guys I wanted the trade challenge account at by the end of this week? Remember, it was just at, what, $3,900 and some dollars? What did we say? Exactly, Sammy. $6,000. There we go. Our Caterpillar trade is in the green. Take a look. Caterpillar's breaking out beautifully. I'm probably just going to end up holding on to that one. That one's having a nice breakout there. I expect that to continue to run. Trade challenge accounts now at 5,300 bucks. Caterpillar's looking good there. Coinbase. Let's see what's Coin doing. Nvidia pulled back a little bit. That was nice taking profits there. Wow, look at Coin 305.29 right now. What a breakout on Coin. Nicely done there. Dwayne, are you still holding on to that Coin trade? Skyjack, did you get in Coin? Dwayne's still in it. That might continue to get a really nice pop this week. I am glad we sold out of everything. Now, guys, remember that Walmart trade I was talking about here? Look at what it's at right now. It was at 12 cents. Now it's at 56 cents there. Let's go 50.5, divide that by 0.12. Skyjack has a 317% gain on that Walmart trade. Over that now. It's at 53 cents. 0.53, divide that by 0.12. He's up 342% on that Walmart trade idea I gave yesterday. I should have jumped into that myself there. Man, oh man, that would have been a good one. Caterpillar's looking good, still above 200 bucks. I think that's going to start getting a nice run this week. That's looking good. Skyjack said he got out of Walmart at 60 cents a contract. He paid 12, so 0.6, divide that by 0.12. He locked in a 400% gain on that Walmart trade. Skyjack, great job, buddy. 400% gain. That's amazing. Well done on that, Sky. All right, our Caterpillar trades in the green. Let's see. Let's see. Chris Jones says, "Yo, Dave, are you still in Cat?" Yep, you can see it in my account right there. You know, that's the one thing about us. I believe in transparency, honesty. Right there, you can see everything. I see some of these other guys, you know, like they're nuts. But yep, we're still in the Cat. We closed out of our, what did we close out of in the trade challenge account today? Apple, and what was the other one? Nvidia. And then in the main account, we closed Facebook and Coin. So we closed out 4 trades today so far. Let's see, Payush, you got that one. How about the Facebook trade, Payush? You're forgetting the Facebook trade. The Facebook trade was a huge gain. Huge gain on the Facebook trade. Let's see, Flip a Stock says, "Hey Dave, using the same thought as a paycheck trade, you ever thought about a membership trade? Something to help us buy memberships?" That's what a paycheck trade's really like. You know, we're trading live on here daily, so pretty easy. Now that Caterpillar trade's going to move sporadically here, so just holding on to that. We could sell out if we want. We're down only 14% on that. She's pulling back a bit now. I'll probably just sell out of that just to get the heck out of it and make something else here. I know I could get into something better. All right, I'm out of Caterpillar. We locked in all of our trades here in the trade challenge account. Order status, we're out of Caterpillar at $1.56. I think Randy said he got in Caterpillar at what, $1.01? So he locked in a nice 50% gain on that. Nice job on that, Randy. There goes Coin.
BDSX,
Coin is still running.
Granted U.S. patent.
So there are the trades that we closed today in the trade challenge account.
Benefit from immunotherapy.
Closed out of those nicely.
In overall poor prognosis subgroups, that's Bravo Delta Sandy X-ray, BDSX.
There goes Coinbase still on the run, nearing 307 on Coinbase. Should have held on to that Coinbase a little bit longer too. Zach's out of Apple at $1.68. What do we get out of Apple for? Let's see, order status. Apple. We closed out of that at $1.66. He closed it out at $1.68. Nice job. There goes Coinbase running again. All right, guys. So now let's regroup here and refocus. So you guys know I did a video on position sizing, trade management, and portfolio management. I talked about looking for at least a 4% gain each day. Sometimes you're going to reach it, sometimes you're not. But for the past few days here, let's take a look now and see where we were yesterday compared to where we are today. And you'll see the type of returns that we're having. So let's take a look. So yesterday, excuse me.
BB BlackBerry granted
We were
U.S.
at
patent method and system
4,996.03.
for
Now we're at
trailer tracking and
513,403.
inventory
So
management.
now
That's Bravo Bravo BB.
5134.03, divide that by 4,996.03. We are up 2.76% today on those trades that we locked in so far today. So really nice job locking those in. Now let's look and see if we can find a couple of more day trades. Maybe a couple of swing trades for this week. I think we could find a couple out of the money vertical spread paycheck trades that we could make some nice profits on. We got some really nice gains there, so that's looking good. Where is my Facebook closing trade here? I think that might have been the one I swiped by accident. Bye. I just gotta pull it up on the thing here. Let me get that. But Payush, here we could actually see it on the order status. We closed that out. The Facebook trade, we closed that out for $4.41. We are out at
SEC Chair
441p.
Gensler says Bitcoin remains a highly speculative asset investment. Speaking on CNBC now.
That was a nice one there. So in the main account here, I'm going to show you guys what we ended up doing. What's today?
Gensler says GameStop will prompt SEC to review market policies. That's Golf Michael Echo, GME. COTY Cody, November $8 call sweep now. Charlie Oscar Tango Yankee. COTY. GME GameStop. Gensler says GameStop episode raises questions about brokerage apps. That's Golf Michael Echo GME.
Alrighty, guys. So here is what we just locked in. Let me see here. Let me see which one's which. There we go. Let me rename it. Okay. Alrighty, guys. So there is our gains in the main account that we locked in. Remember, I just got a couple of small trades there. Coinbase, Facebook. Look at the profits we just locked in the main account there. $1,300. That's the main account, okay?
Shares of GameStop now off the highs at 191.19.
There's what we just locked in the
Golf
main
Michael
account,
Echo.
guys. As you guys can see that, we locked in $1,299.64 in the main account, plus what we locked in the trade challenge account there. So we're already up about $1,500 today, and that's not too shabby. Not too shabby there. All right, Caterpillar's still on the run there. Should have held on to that one, but to be honest with you, it was okay. I was okay with that. Let's see, Coinbase is on the move. Let's take a look now at a today 1 minute. We're just coming up to 9:45. So now we're at that 15-minute opening range day trade strategy that we talk about. We could look at the highs and the lows of the day and look for that breakout either above the highs or below the lows for that day trade. Okay, so let's take a look here now and see what we could do. I'm going to go down the watch list. I'm going to have it on a today 1 minute chart and see what we could do here, see what we could pick up. If you guys see anything on the run there, let me know in the trade room. And Palantir's been a tough one to trade. Look at Twitter. Twitter's taking off again. Palantir looked good on a daily yesterday. Man, it is hot in here. I gotta shut that blind. Tesla. That one's probably ready for a climb. That breaks at 873. So it's gonna climb nice.
Sandy Hotel Oscar. Madden.
Did a nice job
Stephen
selling
Madden
Facebook.
shares getting a pop here. New Minervini position. That's Sandy Hotel Oscar SHOO.
Payush, I want to resend the app alert for Apple and put in the percent gain on that one. You forgot that. Got to do them all the same, buddy. Consistency.
Gensler reiterates that payment for order flow poses conflicts. Says markets could benefit from short selling changes.
Payush, I'm not sure how you didn't know what we paid for Apple. It was sitting in the trade challenge account there with the price that we paid yesterday and today. And you did send that out as an app alert yesterday. And I actually sent you let me see here. Because I believe I sent you a screenshot of that there as well. Let me look up above here. Okay, let me see here. I think it'll be under transactions. Yeah, here we go. All right, so we bought them at $1.10, P. $1.10 and out at, what did we just close them for? We were in at $1.10, out at $1.66. In at $1.10, out at $1.66. That was a 51% gain on Apple. 51% gain on Apple there. That was a good one.
CSLT, Castline Health, granted U.S. patent. Predictor generation genetic algorithm. That's Charlie Sandy Lima Tango, CSLT.
All right, let's see what we're going to do here today. So far, everything's pulling back a little bit from the open, so you just got to sit patient, watch. Let's get on the watch list here, see what we see on it today. 1 minute. Qs are starting to break out. Facebook looking good there. Baba's breaking out. I want to get into a Baba swing here. I think I'm going to do a Baba swing trade here, guys. Take a look at that Baba chart here. That's finally breaking out here. I think that's going to end up having a good run this week. I think I'm going to pick up some Baba contracts now. Probably pick up one for now. Let's see,
CHPT,
option chain.
ChargePoint, granted U.S. patent. Dynamic allocation of power modules for charging electric vehicles. That's Charlie Hotel Papa Tango, CHPT.
Look at that. Skyjack just shared in the trade room his small Robinhood account just from this morning. He had Amazon, he had a JPM up, what, 64% for the day there. Nice job on that. Nice. Hey, David, we've been on fire. Literally for 3 weeks in a row, we've been on fire, so don't worry about that. Once your funds settle, there'll be more great trades.
CHEK, check cap, granted U.S. patent, position estimation
Let's
of
see, what are you guys
imaging
talking about with
capsule
Apple?
and gastrointestinal tract. That's Charlie Hotel Echo Kilo, CHEK.
Apple's having a nice breakout. There goes Apple again. Nice climb on Apple. That is having a nice run. Look at that Apple run there. Let's get on the watch. Let's see what else is moving there. Apple might be another good one we'll jump back into. Twitter's looking good there too. Guys, our trade challenge account has doubled. Let's see. How much is the trade challenge up, you ask? 5134.03. Divide that by 2,500. Our trade challenge account is up 105.36%. I mean, that's incredible. We have not had one trade challenge account that has not made at least 100%. Let's see. Trade challenge account up 105.3612%. I'd like to see the other funds or any type of haters, comment on that. Every year since what, 2018, since we started the trade challenge account, every year trade challenge account has more than doubled, and we're not done with it yet. I want to get that up to 400% by the end of the year. Amgen breaking out. Let's see what Apple's doing. Apple's going to be another good one to hold on to. We could certainly jump into an Apple trade there. That looks good. Looks ready for another nice run. I might pick up an Apple trade now for November Expo. Let's take a look at Apple. November 19th Expo, the 148s, and they're only going for $3 there. You know, that's not too bad. We could pick up a nice little trade on Apple there if we wanted to. Markets are looking good. Or do we want to do a day trade? The 148s are going for $1, you know. The 148s here are going for about 370. I'd rather go for those. You guys want to get into an Apple day trade, huh? Let's take a look here, see what she's doing. I'd rather do that swing trade on Apple.
DD Global, October 29, 8.5 call sweep, Delta India, Delta India. ARRY, new pick from Banyan Hill. Array Technologies, Alpha Romeo Yankee, ARRY, new pick from Banyan Hill. Shares popping to the highs, $19.94 on Alpha Romeo Yankee. RKLY, Rockley Photonics, getting a pop here.
Let's see what they look like. Ah, that's ugly.
PFDR, Pathfinder Acquisition Merger Partner, ServiceMax CEO Neil Barua to appear on Benzinga's SPAC Attack Show at 11:15 a.m. Eastern Time. That's Papa Foxtrot Delta Romeo, PFDR.
What did I sell that coin for, right? Wow, I made $578 on coin. What was my entry price on coin? I'm not sure what my entry price was, but I closed it out for a $600 gain. That was nice. The Coinbase trade made $578.54 overnight. You know, this is in the main account there. Coinbase closed out for $578. Oh, come on. So here we go. Close that out for a nice $578.54 gain on coin. Those October 300 calls. And then that Facebook 340 calls, we closed that out for a $721 profit overnight. Total profit overnight, almost $1,300 there in the main account. Can't beat that. David Rain says, was in Orlando 2 months ago. Wanted to meet up with you, but we were only there a day and busy all day. Hey, you should have shot me a message. I would have came by. Could have had some lunch, dinner. Nice job there. Apple pulled back a little bit there. That's why I don't like chasing. Now, if she starts to run again, we could certainly look at it. Coin's starting to get a little climb again. Nvidia pulled back from the highs this morning. We did a nice job locking in profits. Baba's on the run, though. I got to do something with Baba. That looks like a good daily chart right there. Johnson & Johnson got a nice spike today. Moderna's back up over 1%. What a nice way to start the day there. Trade challenge accounts up 105% from 49.9603 yesterday to 51.3403 today. Started with 2,600, just started actively trading that a couple of weeks ago. I'm looking at BABA here, thinking about doing a BABA trade. If that starts to run there, breaks above that 173.50.
Axalta unveils fresh paint scheme for Hendrick Motorsports number 24 car to showcase new brand Raptor. Alpha X-Ray Tango Alpha. IZEA, leading sports and entertainment firm, The Cut, joins IZEA's talent partner program, India Zulu Echo Alpha. IZEA. Shares of DD Global getting a pop here off of that call activity. Delta India, Delta India.
Payush, could you re-look at that last alert you just sent 5 minutes ago? It just says trade challenge account up 105.361, and it doesn't say anything else there. We got to get these down the right way, buddy. Just 105%. That's simple. Let's re-get that one out.
STBA, S&T Bancorp increasing its quarterly dividends. Sandy Tango Bravo
Tesla's
Alpha.
pulling back. Now, see, now that candle on Tesla, if it ends like that, I think Tesla's going to continue to pull back a little bit there.
DD, more call activity now. The weekly 8.5 call sweep. Delta India, Delta India, DIDI.
There we go. Beautiful.
DD Global shares hitting the $8.55 off the high, seeing that repeat call activity in Delta India, DIDI.
right, Baba. Do we want to do a Baba trade there? Jerry said Apple leaps continue to make money. Let's see what Apple's doing. Apple's still breaking out. All right, let's get back into Apple. That's going to be a good one. We could even get next week's expo on Apple. The 148s are pretty darn cheap there for next week. I'm going to pick up about 5 contracts on Apple, I think. Let's first look at that 3-month daily. That looks prime for a nice breakout there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick up next week's expo on Apple. I'm going to pick up the October 29th. I'll pick up the 140. Let's see, 149s are going for about $2. So let's see here. What's our target going to be first off? 150 to 152.50 I think should be good. I'll do the 148s. Pick up a couple of those in the trade challenge account here. Okay, let's see. We'll pick up about 5 of those there. 279. She's at 280 now. Let's see. We'll enter place trade. And we are in at $2.80 there. So we got a new this is a trade challenge trade. It's an official trade. All right, P. You see that new trade there? Let me send that. You could send that in the trade room. That's a trade challenge trade there. Okay, nice. I already got a $13 gain on that. All right, let me set up the chart here, get that sent out. It's a trade challenge swing trade. October 29th, not the 22nd. We're up 50 bucks on that trade already. $53. Just printing money. At 66 bucks already. What are we in at? 2.80. Hope you got that ready to go, P. That email alert. That way you just plug this in, send her out. And remember, P, how many contracts? Trade challenge account, always how many contracts? Look at that. We got a $90 gain on the trade already.
PAYX Paychecks adds support for vaccination status tracking to its COVID-19 technology solutions. That's Papa Alpha Yankee X-ray. PAYX.
That is going to be a good swing trade right there. So that is our new swing trade. And like I said, that don't worry about what that does intraday. It's a swing trade. It's got 2 weeks till Expo. So that one we're just looking for our targets. Our stop on that one's probably going to be more around 146. But I put a tight stop on there.
EPZM, Epizyme granted U.S. patent. EZH2 inhibitors
Let's
for
go down the
treating
watch
cancer.
list, see what we got
That's
going
Echo
on
Papa
here.
Zulu Michael, EPZM.
Amazon. Facebook. We did a nice job taking in those Facebook profits. Bank of America on the run again. So is Apple. Visa, guys. We wanted to make a trade on Visa. Remember that one going into the holidays here? That one's finally starting to break out really nice there. I think I'm going to make a trade on the main account here on Visa. And we did a nice job selling Coinbase too there. Glad we got rid of that one. All right, let's see here. Visa. If I wanted to go out to that, I'd say December 17th. I'd like. Man,
FSLI Fastly, the November 47 call sweep now. Foxtrot Sandy Lima Yankee.
Let's see, what would our target be on
contracts
Visa?
on that trade.
If I take
FSLY.
a look out here, I think we got some resistance right around that 240 that we should be able to hit. Probably going to have some coming up around 237, but 240. So with that said, that's the December Expo.
CEI Camber Energy weekly $1.50 call sweep. Charlie Echo India.
CEI is on the move down here. They're talking about CCEI down here.
CEI.
You guys can't see with my thing there. Let me just put that over here. You see CCI down here, right? It's up about 18% today. They're talking about some call activity coming in on that. Guys on YouTube, if you guys are watching this and enjoying this, watching to grow a trade challenge account, a small account to a large one, please give it a like. Share it on social media for us. You know, I mean, I'm doing this on YouTube for you guys to help you guys out here. So if you guys could please share it, give it a like, subscribe to our channel. I'd really appreciate that, guys.
$1.74 the high. Again,
there we go. That Apple trade already up 81 bucks.
Weekly $1.50 call.
How many of you guys got in that? $90, $93. There she goes. What a nice run there on Apple. That one I'll probably look for about a $300 gain on.
MRVL. Marvell Technology. Jim Cramer, hearing Jim Cramer.
All right, guys on YouTube, that's going to be it for you guys. So if you guys want to come join us, you guys could go to breakingchartalerts.com. You guys could go to Join Now, membership pricing plans. If you have questions, you guys could come down here. We're going to be live in the trade room. We're also still trading live on Zoom with our members right now until 11. So if you guys want to get signed up, here's where you use your promo code. Use promo code RENEW30. Or you guys could use whatever one else is out there that the staff has running. I'm not even sure what's going on. So I know Renew 30 is a good one. I know promo code Challenge is a good one. And I think there's one BCA 50, which will get you 50% off the annual there. For I think the next week they're running that. So that one will take 50% off that one right there. If you guys have any questions right here, click on that below. Let me get rid of this. Click on that button right below here in the bottom right. That'll shoot us a message on Messenger if you have any problems, any questions, anything you want to talk about. Feel free to do that. And then once you guys join, make sure you guys go to live trading. Here's our live trade room. Our trades are sent right here. Our trade challenge trades are here. And then our education tab from beginner to intermediate to advanced to pro trader. All those lessons, all those courses, all those classes are going to be right here for you guys. So make sure you guys come join us. It is a great team that we have here. And look at that. Our Apple trade's up $111 already. 8% gain on the Apple trade. So come join us, guys. I'll see you guys later. And let's see. James Miller says, have a great day. You too, James. And I'll see you guys on YouTube later. Great job today trading. Trade challenge accounts up 42, 52, 44. Let's see. 5244.73. Divide that by yesterday's close. 4996.03, and we are up 5% for the day. Remember, our goal is 4% a day. We're up 5% on the day in the trade challenge account. Great job today, guys. Congratulations, and I'll see you guys